Hi there, it's Allison Shaw here. I'm a wellness coach, and one of the main tools in my arsenal is meditation. If it's taught right, it's a life-transforming practice. I have introduced many of my students to a well-renowned meditation expert, Giovanni Dienstmann. He's in the top 5 meditation teachers worldwide, and he knows his stuff. Many of my clients have had their lives reversed through the daily practice of meditating. With determination and deep-down intent to change yourself, you too can achieve some remarkable results. One of my clients, Brian, has offered to share his story in this video. I'll let him tell you in his own words.
Thanks, Allison, for the introduction and giving me the opportunity to tell you my life-changing story. As I sit here reflecting on my life, I can't help but marvel at the twists and turns that have led me to where I am today. My name is Brian, and I'm in my mid-30s. For the longest time, it felt like misfortune was my constant companion, casting a shadow over every aspect of my existence. My relationships with my family were strained, my health was in decline, and my finances were in shambles. But then, something remarkable happened. I discovered the transformative power of meditation, and it changed everything. Growing up, I always felt like the odd one out in my family. My parents were loving, but we never quite saw eye to eye. Arguments were frequent, and resentment simmered beneath the surface. As I entered adulthood, these rifts only seemed to widen, leaving me feeling disconnected and alone. I yearned for a sense of belonging and acceptance, but didn't know where to find it. To make matters worse, my health began to deteriorate. Stress, anxiety, and poor lifestyle choices took their toll, leaving me feeling exhausted and depleted. I struggled to find the energy to face each day, and my physical well-being suffered as a result. Visits to the doctor became routine, each one delivering more bad news than the last. On top of it all, my finances were a mess. I lived paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt with no end in sight. Every unexpected expense sent me spiraling further into despair, and the weight of financial uncertainty hung heavy over my head. It was in the midst of this despair that I stumbled upon the teachings of Giovanni Dienstmann, a meditation teacher whose words resonated with me in a way I never expected. His teachings spoke of inner peace, resilience, and the power of mindfulness to transform lives. Intrigued, I decided to give meditation a try, desperate for any glimmer of hope in the darkness. At first, meditation was a challenge. My mind was a whirlwind of thoughts, worries, and fears, making it difficult to find even a moment of stillness. But with perseverance and dedication, I began to notice subtle shifts taking place within me. The tension in my body began to melt away, replaced by a sense of calm and tranquility. My thoughts became less chaotic, and I found myself approaching life with a newfound sense of clarity and purpose. As I continued to meditate regularly, the transformation was nothing short of miraculous. My relationships with my family began to heal as I learned to let go of old resentments and embrace forgiveness. My health improved, and I found myself with more energy and vitality than I had felt in years. And to my amazement, my finances began to stabilize as I approached life with a newfound sense of abundance and gratitude. Today, I am a different person than I was before I discovered meditation. I no longer see misfortune as my constant companion, but rather as a teacher, guiding me towards greater wisdom and understanding. Thanks to the teachings of Giovanni Dienstmann and the practice of meditation, I have found redemption, healing, and a renewed sense of hope for the future. And for that, I am eternally grateful.
Hi there, it's Allison here again. Brian's story is truly remarkable, but he's not the only client who has achieved astonishing success through the daily practice of meditation. Brian was one of many who have marveled at their life transformation through this practice. If you'd like to experience similar changes in your life, why not try Giovanni's free introductory course on meditation? Simply click the link in the description box below. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word about this transformational course and give us a like and a subscribe. All the best in your endeavors to make a better life for yourself, and thanks for your time.